Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 3 English language teacher, and today I am going to share a conversation between a greengrocer and Umar, a boy. And Umar has gone for a shopping to the greengrocer, and he is buying and he is doing some shopping. It's basically a dialogue. In dialogue is the same words, whatever they are told, are written by the writer, and it's in this form you can see. So let's have this conversation first and then have some question and answers. Umar has gone to the market to buy vegetables. He has gone to the greengrocer. Greengrocer said, "Can I help you, boy?" Then Umar said, "Yes, I want to buy some vegetables. A kilo of potato, half a kilo of peas, 2 kilo of cauliflower, half a kilo of brinjal, and a bundle of coriander." The greengrocer puts all the vegetables in shopping bag, and then the greengrocer asks, "Anything else?" It means, "Do you want to buy anything else?" Umar says that he wants to buy some fresh oranges also. The greengrocer say, "Yes, I have it." Then Umar said to buy a half a dozen oranges. Then greengrocer said, "Don't you want field fresh tomatoes?" Umar said, "Oh yes." He is wanting a quarter kilo tomatoes as well. After the greengrocer has put all the things in the bag, Umar was now thinking about how much money he has to give. Then Umar asked how much money it made altogether. Greengrocer counted and said, 5 rupees for kilo of potatoes, 8 for half of kilo of peas, 15 for 2 kilos of cauliflower, rupees 8 for half kilo of brinjal, and rupees 5 for the bundle of coriander, and 18 for half a dozen. Do you know what is the meaning of dozen? Dozen means 12. So half a dozen means 6 oranges. And rupees 5 for the quarter a kilo of tomatoes. Quarter a kilo means fourth part of a kilo. So it altogether together became 64 rupees, and then Umar paid the money and went back home. Now in this reference I'll be asking you a few questions that you have to answer in your notebooks. The first is, why did Umar go to the market? So simply you can say that Umar went to the market to buy some groceries and fruits. Then the question number 2 is, name the vegetables that Umar buy from the greengrocer. So you can have a look at all these vegetables. You can name the vegetables: potatoes, peas, cauliflower, brinjal, and coriander. Then there is a question, question number 3, how many oranges did Umar buy? So it is written here, how many oranges? Half a dozen. What does half a dozen means? 6 oranges. Then there is a question, how much money does Umar pay to the greengrocer to buy all these things? So in the end you have got it that it was 64 rupees Umar paid to the greengrocer for all the things that he bought. Okay, and then this is, which vegetables and fruits would you like to buy from the market? In this reference you can write about the vegetables of your own choice, of your own liking, and the fruits of your own liking. And then in the end you have to draw this picture in your copy on in a horizontal way, so that it can look like this, or you can draw by your own also. If you can't draw the man, it's okay, you can only draw the vegetables and show it like a shop, and you can write shopping on the top. And in this you will write it first in the index also. You will write top 3 shopping and today's date, and then you will start your work. And in the beginning you will write reading comprehension, because it's a sort of reading comprehension. There's a passage and then you are finding the answers from there. Thank you very much. Till the next class. Allah.